Hey, what's going on YouTube? Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper. Welcome to episode 8 of how to turn $20 into $1,000 flipping smartphones on eBay. Now, the last episode, episode 7, we left off with $777.99. Um, and I picked up a phone. I'm going to show you guys it right now, but we had a good amount of capital to work with. I feel like this deal that I landed um, was good, as far as profit and how much I actually invested into this particular phone. But it was a really good deal. So I'm gonna show you guys the actual phone. I'm gonna kind of give you guys the backstory of it really quick. So let me show you guys right now. So you guys can see this is an iPhone 8 product red version, AT&T, 64 gigs, and the best thing about it, it's brand new. This phone is brand new. You can still see the plastic. Now the backstory on this one is this. So somebody ended up messaging me um, saying they have a brand new sealed iPhone 8 for AT&T. So I did my comps and all that. I offered the guy 360, um, and I was in hopes of selling it to my buyer, make a quick $100, call it a day. But we met up, and this always happens. But when you meet up and they say, well, they start revealing everything. So the phone was not sealed actually. He told me it was sealed when he was texting me, and I gave him the sealed price, but the phone was not sealed. So I told him, actually, I did the comps over again and realized, okay, I still can make some good money even at 360. Even if I do buy for 360, but you got to negotiate all the time. Use that as your advantage. If they don't tell you everything, use that as your advantage, and that's what I did. So I told them, it being sealed, it adds a lot of value. Once you break the seal, it drops it. I mean, that's true. It is what it is, but I mean, it didn't drop it what I paid for it, but it does drop the value. So I gave him $300 for it. He thought about it for a little bit, while we were there. He tried to, negotiate back and forth that, he wanted 330. And then I was like, I don't know if I could do that. So he ended up taking the $300 for it. And again, it's finance, it's finance, but AT&T does not block for finance phones. So you can, sell it as AT&T only. Um, and that's what I did. So I ended up paying $300 for it, and that left us with $477.99. Once you subtract that 300 from the $777.99. So I'm going to show you guys the phone that sold on eBay. Kind of run it down for you guys, run those numbers for you guys, and let you guys know what we end this episode with. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So as you can see, I am on eBay right now. I'm just going to show you guys that the phone did actually sell for $549.95. You can see it ended this morning, so I sold it early this morning. We'll be shipping it out today, so that's why I'm trying to hurry up this video. So, sold it this morning. Actually listed it yesterday around noon, I'd say. I'd probably say around noon is when I listed it. And I knew the price was a little bit low. I saw some going for 565. I saw a couple going for 550, and then I saw one going for like 557. That was an auction. So, I got it for 300, and sold it for 549. There's the pictures you guys can see. Good, pretty good pictures showing everybody that it is actually still brand new. And then there it is, guys. So again, we sold this for 549, and when I go back to the numbers, after the fees, we end up with 471 and 60 cents. So uh, obviously, again, eBay and PayPal take out their fees. I have to take out the shipping fees as well. So we profited on this particular phone $171.60, which is not bad for a $300 investment. That's actually a really good return on the investment. So we end this episode with $949.59, which is more than enough to buy pretty much whatever we want. Um, you know, I'm positive that next episode will be the last episode that we hit, and we're gonna have well over $1,000 in capital. So stay tuned for that, guys. If you do enjoy these videos, please drop a like. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.